Hello, I'm Graham Morgan, Chair of the Compulsion Advisory Group and Co-Vice Chair of the Scottish Mental Health Law Review. In July 2021 we published a report explaining the work we've been doing since December and what we'll be doing next. This is the fifth in a series of short videos about what's in that report. These videos feature different members of the review's executive team, and each gives a bit more detail on different parts of the report. In this video, I will talk about the work the Compulsion Advisory Group have been doing and what we're looking to do next. Before we go any further, what do we mean by compulsion? Broadly speaking, it's where a person is detained or treated without their consent. The group have been discussing a lot of different issues around compulsion. For example, the group has considered how getting care at the right time may avoid the need for compulsion. The group think that having more options and resources available to people when they need them may result in less of a need for such treatment. It's also discussed whether compulsion is currently used as an option to make sure that people get access to the services they need. From the evidence the group has heard, the people's experiences of compulsion vary. Some people feel they have benefited from compulsionary measures. For others, compulsion was a traumatic experience that left them less trusting of the system and less likely to use services. The group has also talked about the role of carers in this situation. They feel that it is important to get the views of carers and that these should be respected. The group have also looked at the pros and cons of different reasons that could be used to allow someone to be treated against their will. Reasons like someone having a mental health diagnosis, or deciding that a person does not have the capacity to make a decision about their care and treatment for themselves. We touch on this more in the capacity and support for decision-making video in this series. The group also broadly agreed with what the review thinks the purpose and principles of mental health law should be. These are discussed in the purposes and principles video of this series. While a lot of work has been done, the group still has lots of things to discuss, with a view to making recommendations to the review. This work will include a study of the ethical and human rights basis for compulsory measures of care and treatment, why the use of compulsory measures has increased, looking at how well compulsory measures of care and treatment are working at present, and considering whether there are other options, alternatives to compulsory measures of care and treatment. Thank you for listening. We welcome your thoughts on any of our ideas, and you can feed them into the review by contacting the Secretariat. Thank you.